We came to Dr. Ringler because I was diagnosed with premature ovarian failure by my gynecologist after several attempts of getting pregnant and not getting pregnant. She thought I should come and see a specialist, and when I came and saw him, he confirmed that it was indeed premature ovarian failure. I was devastated when I found out. I had wanted for years to be a mom. When Dr. Ringler suggested that we needed to use an egg donor from our very first visit, obviously I wasn't thrilled. So we went a different route for a while. He worked with us to try to get my egg stimulated. We went and got acupuncture and did different methods that way. But after several years of trying and taking a break, because it became very exhausting, both financially and mentally and emotionally.
It was always fun to keep trying, though.
Yes, Christopher. So we took a break, and then when we decided, actually earlier this year, we were going to work with an egg donor. That was the easiest part. We literally had to find a woman, an anonymous donor, and that process was interesting, shopping for somebody that looks like me.
I will say this about the egg donor process. There would be reams and reams, hundreds and hundreds of pages of donors that are available to us. But people of color, there was like 7, and I'm not exaggerating.
But we did find someone, and it was a matter of 3 months between making the choice to use the egg donor to my getting pregnant. The procedure was so simple, and we actually had a really good time that day. We ended up getting the embryos implanted on our wedding anniversary, and we didn't plan that. It just ended up happening that way. And it took 5 minutes, and we had Dr. Ringler, a nurse, and one of the technicians that actually took care of the embryos for us. And it was very nurturing, and we were laughing, and then I got turned upside down, and it was very simple. I wasn't scared. It was explained to me beforehand so that I was prepared for it. 8 days later, we found out that we were pregnant. Or I was pregnant. We were pregnant.
We were not.
Okay, I was pregnant. He wasn't pregnant. Dr. Ringler and his staff were and continue to be amazing for us to work with through this process. As you can imagine, dealing with infertility can bring up a range of emotions, most of them negative, unfortunately. So to come here and be greeted with smiles from everyone, from front desk to the nurses to the people that draw my blood to Dr. Ringler, I can't rave about them enough.
With Dr. Ringler's assistance, we are the proud parents, or will be the proud parents of twins. I wasn't counting on twins, but I'm ecstatic about it. I wouldn't trade that experience for anything because it made us who we are.